How can you remove the TikTok filters and effects? Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can remove TikTok filters and effects. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Open up your TikTok application and go to the plus icon over here. As you know that the TikTok application cannot remove filters and effects if you have already recorded and posted the video. So make sure that you follow these steps while recording the video itself. First of all, go to the beautify option, and if you have it turned on, simply select turn off on the bottom left corner. After that, go to the effects or filters section and select the none option, which is the circular icon with a line on it. Simply tap on it and all of your filters will be deactivated. Also, something else that you can do is go to the drafts section of your videos and then remove the videos or effects from over here. Simply select on effects, then tap on the effects that you have applied, and then you can delete it or undo it, and then you can save it. And there you go. Those are all of the ways that you can remove TikTok filters and effects on your TikTok videos. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.